Okay, so this is the wheel kit from Honda for the EU3000. It's got the wheels and the telescoping handles. So I'll show you what it comes with. I'll probably put up a part number here, but otherwise just go to your Honda dealer and it's right on Honda's website. Under the accessories for the EU3000. There's a bunch of numbers on here. I don't know which one it is. It's pretty heavy duty. All kinds of stuff in there. Okay, it comes with this. Should be your bottom. Installation instructions. Oh, what else we got? I'm not sure what that is yet. Until I dig into it more. And then your handle. Alright, so I'll put this on 2x4s to get it up a little bit. And here's what you get with it as far as hardware. First step is to drain the carb. Alright. Here's the drain screw. It's going to come out here. I got to turn it off first. That would help out. Alright, that's the first step. So next we close this up. And I would not have needed it on a 2x4, but I'm going to be using one for the next step. I gotta tilt it back. Put some cardboard down here. And then put 2x4 under here. She's a heavy one. Next, you're going to remove all of these. 10mm, you know, the one that always gets lost. These are just rubber feet. Next, there's 4 rubber dampeners that are going to go in where the feet were. Just put them in. Put them hand tight. Don't over tighten them. I kind of like that. It's putting a rubber cushion between your wheel kit and the generator. Alright, now we'll put this on. Okay. Pretty straightforward. Washer and a lock nut. Flat washer and lock nut on each one. And the last one. Okay, I got them all. Now, this is the way that it shows to put the wheels, so the wheels would be on the control panel side. Could you do it the other way? I think this is symmetrical. I'd have to try it, but I would think it would work if you don't like that. I could always change it, I believe. Alright, now we gotta tip her back. There we go. Now look how she'll move. Alright, there's only two parts remaining. The handle and this. Alright, so we're gonna go like this. See, this too I like because they got it rubber coated. These hooks. So it ain't gonna scratch up your original handle. You gotta get it over a little bit. A little bit more yet. Too much. Okay. Now I gotta put the remaining lock nuts in the bottom of the bracket here. So you can actually push them in here with a screwdriver or something. Push them into the holes and they should stay. Alright, next you're gonna put this bottom bracket that you put the lock nuts in here. So it's gonna clamp it to this handle basically. Alright, so just like this. Tighten all 6 of these bracket screws. It's a pretty big Phillips for that. There's one more step. Just put these little self tappers in the holes here. And you don't want to over tighten them. You're just going into plastic. I'll kind of take this gap up, make it a better fit and better look. So there was 2 of those on each side. And that's it. Now you just gotta test it out. Got these things. There it is. And go till you find your holes there. Now you can just run around. I got all kinds of leverage with it. You don't have to bend over hunched to move it. So I think that'll work pretty good. Even one-handed is easy. And then put your handles back in. And there it is. And you can move it with them in too. Just that it's not quite as easy. A little bit more weight on your back. And that's it. Pretty simple. Now we gotta see if it's gonna run after we did that. Get gas back to the car. cold-blooded. I mean, it's probably 30-some in the garage here. So I'm gonna do some more videos on this thing in the future. The main reason why I bought this one and not the 3200, which is the fuel injected model, because I want to run a propane kit in here. And I don't think that the fuel injected models will do the propane. Maybe they will. Maybe there's different mapping for the computer, the CPU. I don't know. I have no idea. I'll have to look into it, but I know they make kits for this. So that's another thing I'm going to do to it soon. But yeah, I think you could probably switch the wheels around to the air side. I'm going to assume that they want it this way, because they figured you wouldn't have these handles sticking over here when you want to plug your stuff in. That's what I'm thinking.